folks, it's me again with a crooked camera. The camera's all crooked. What I got today, I have a Peterson Visegrip video. This one is a 7R. I'm assuming there's something missing. I don't know what it. This one is a 7. Actually, I'll do a double video. This one is a 7R. See, I think it's I think this one's for roasting wieners. See, you can grab the wieners, put them on the barbecue, and pick them up. That's what I think it's for. But see, you could. There's a thing here missing. It apparently works. I'm guessing it's for holding some kind of pipe. And of course, I have nothing round on here to grab it. But see, anyway, there's the 7R. It's a vintage Peterson. It's got the eagle on it, so it's pretty old. See the logo? That's an older logo. I know the older ones have like this little thing doesn't, the release isn't there. So yeah, if you this looks like a genuine something that came out of Visegrips plant, or I don't know, maybe it's welded pretty nice. Usually you can tell, like the last week's debauchery, you can tell this is a homemade job. See, this is not something that came out of factory. Somebody just put it on there and went and did that. But looks like a button thing. So anyway, that's the first one up here. This one still locks. Not sure what it's for, other than possibly holding a pipe, or maybe a refrigeration thing. Who knows? So that's that one. This one is a. I think I have one like this already. It's a. What does it say? General Machining Products Visegrip. It's got this logo on it, like this. There's some wording on here, and here. There's that. It could be clearly this piece broke off, and I don't know. It feels like it's got like an aluminum coating on it. I'm guessing it's for clipping something. Let me check. I know I have another one, so hold on. Let me check. Let me check the bolt. Yep, I think these are slightly the same. They're almost the same. Well, the front piece is the same. See? But this one is an older one, because see, this says Vice. This one is an older Peterson, because you can tell it has the 1942 thing. This one has the Visegrips stamp on it. They both have the eagle logo on one side, and this one, see. And this one, General Machine Production, Trevorrose, PA. Someone did some pretty crappy welding on this one. This one's got some very nice welding on it, see. They must have just made the head and welded it on. So yeah, see. This one's old, this one's newer. And they kind of curve in at the bottom. This one's got a little rubbery thing on there. That one's, I guess you need the rubbery thing because it just keeps popping out like that. There's no way to keep it in there. And this one doesn't open. Little back pieces lodged in there. Probably should put some juice in there. See if we can get it going. See. I always use this stuff. Works pretty good. See. Put a glove on. It's always easier to grab stuff with a glove. Ugh. I don't want to destroy it with a, what do you call it? Put a vice grip on and strip the knurling on it. So it'll come out when it's ready. But I don't know. Anybody ever use these things? These are cool. Like they're. Don't know what it's for. Not sure what it's. But I got two of them now. and they were almost practically free online. So yeah, check it out. 2 Visegrips. So anyway, if you think I'm the king of Visegrips, don't forget to like, subscribe. Tell me if you'd like, subscribe, click whatever, and hope you enjoyed the video. It's a double whammy of Visegrips. I think I have like 8 million Visegrips now. Thanks for watching. Toodles.